This is Ashley and Slim. He's in a quiet mode so he can fly. We're the Fields of Drones.
Oh, where am I at?
You're kind of above us. I can't see you on the phone. I hope I'm videoing you. Oh, I was plumb away from you. What are you flying?
Et115 V2.
Where'd you go? There you are. We're just out enjoying the day. It's a little too windy for me to fly because I am not good at all. He let me fly it once and it looked like I was trying to bounce a ball off the ground. Fly a little lower so I can see if I'm even recording you. Yeah, that's why I couldn't fly. I can get it up, but then it takes me off. Whoop. And you said...
The wrong switch.
Well, I hope you enjoyed us flying just a little bit and him crashing. And we appreciate you all watching our videos. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. We need all the subscribers that we can get, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we post videos. And thank you all.